The United States secondary students ranked 24th in the world in math and science. How would you propose to remedy this poor performance?
Fund the schools. Start with that. We keep coming back to it, but you know, we have a shortage of math and science teachers in this country. We need to be recruiting more teachers, but when they're working in classrooms that aren't being cleaned, when they're working in classrooms that are overcrowded, when they're working not necessarily in Shawnee Mission, but I know in other places in buildings that are in disrepair, and when they're not being paid what they deserve to be paid, it's hard to recruit teachers, hard to recruit good teachers and retain good teachers. I think it starts right there, and the legislature and the governor absolutely need to make that their first priority. It has not been the first priority during the last 2 years. We've had priorities on income tax cuts and restricting women's health care and voter ID laws and all other kinds of things, besides what we need to be focusing on, which is first and foremost funding the schools. So you want to increase student performance. I don't think it's automatic that you increase student performance by increasing funding, but I think it's sure a good start. Things cost money, and we can't pretend that class sizes and you know, the condition of our schools and the working conditions and pay of our teachers and staff don't matter, because they do.
I don't think I have the answer for that. I will say that I know that we all have the same goal there, that our intent is to make sure that we have the best schools and that we increase our math and reading skills and science skills, etc. My own daughter-in-law is a math teacher, which I'm very proud of. She does a fantastic job. And I will agree with Kyle. I mean, I know funding is definitely always an issue with this, and it will help. But I also don't know that that is the answer. I think we need to really take a much more comprehensive look and perhaps engage our superintendents and our teachers in talking more with each other and coming together and saying, what can we do? What are we doing wrong? And is it all funding, or perhaps are there things that we should be doing otherwise as well? But I think we all have the common goal that we know that education is the #1 priority in Kansas. And I would do anything that I can in order to make that happen here and to help us with our children's education.